One person was arrested and 3 FIRs were filed in connection with the October 28th rally organized by FKJGP against unemployment. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on Monday held Law and Order Review meeting, which was attended by Director General of Police and Home Minister Lakshman Rimboy, besides others. Chief Minister Conrad Sangma told reporters on Monday that police have already identified many of those involved in the incident, leading to the arrest. It may be mentioned that the FKJGP-sponsored rally against unemployment turned violent in the city on Friday as sporadic cases of attack on people, including the press and vehicles, were reported.
Already one person has been arrested, and there is also 3 FIRs that have been lodged. Large number of people, I don't want to give numbers, I know the numbers, but I don't want to give it out, have been identified who were the main miscreants who have attacked innocent people, and necessary action is going to be taken against those people.
The